Welcome to Simply Excel. In this quick video, we're going to look at how you can multiply numbers in Excel. There's a few simple ways of doing this. The first one being you can just simply type into your cell and effectively use Excel as a calculator. For example, if I wanted to multiply 5 by 10, I'd just type equals 5, multiplication symbol, which is the asterisk, multiplied by 10, press return, and we get our result of 50. So that's one really easy way of doing it. The next way we could do it is by putting our numbers into separate cells and then multiplying them using the cell references. For example, our 5 and our 10, and then our formula would simply be equals cell B2 times cell B3. Press return, again we get our 50 as our result. You can also multiply by using the product function. The product function is really useful if you're multiplying ranges of data or doing more than just a simple couple of numbers multiplication. So for example, if we had the numbers 5, 10 and 20 and we wanted to multiply all of those, we could use equals 5 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 20 and do it that way, and we get our result of 1000. Or we could use the product function. So that would be equals product, open our brackets. You see what the function is expecting is a series of numbers. So we could click on those, drag down, so we've got our range denoted by that colon. So we're multiplying everything in B2 all the way through to B4. Close our brackets, press return. Again, we get our result of 1000. What we could also do with the product function is we can add in additional numbers, additional ranges of cells. So for example, we could multiply that whole thing by 2 by simply adding a comma and the number 2, and we get our result of 2000. The product function can take up to 255 arguments, so you could use it for quite an extensive calculation if you so wanted. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.